Welcome to Rolling Harvest Food Rescue's episode of What's Cooking? Today our focus is on collard greens, and I will show you how you can prepare collard wraps. This is a great way to create a wrap without using any grains. First, cut the various veggies into bite-sized pieces. Zucchini can be in matchsticks, carrots shredded, red cabbage thinly sliced, tomatoes chopped. After washing the collard greens, cut out and remove the thick stem. Then shave the center vein to thin it out. Into a pot of boiling water, add the collard leaf for 10 to 20 seconds so you can soften the leaf and help make it more digestible. Remove it from the boiling water and immediately place the leaf into a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process. You also have the option of leaving the collard green raw and skipping the cooking and the cooling step. So if you like it a heartier roll-up, you can do it that way. Now pat dry the wet leaf and you're ready to fill the collard. Add the hummus to the lower portion and then add the veggies that you pre-cut into the hummus. Start rolling the leaf from the bottom, turning in the sides before finishing your rolling. Once a nice wrap has been formed, you can cut it in half or eat it whole. Thank you for joining my colleagues Edie Koznowski, Jill Kelly, and me, Vicki Sarnoff, for this episode of What's Cooking. Please check out our website at www.rollingharvest.org for more information about Rolling Harvest Food Rescue.